go into our old exhibition hall. As you can see, not much has changed for this concrete floor space. We did add some new LED lighting on the ceiling that is color changeable. It's dimmable. Overhead doors are the same style. Our exit points are still the same. We've got the service drive back there. They haven't done anything with that. Through these doors is the new exhibition hall. Room area that will go directly to the hotel itself. We'll also have a stairwell for people to come and go. Right here will be a stairwell that will take guests and patrons and vendors to Manor Conference Center. They'll have a little, it's a shorter link area technically, but it'll take you right to that link that attaches Manor and the hotel. So it's very easy access. You'll be able to go to the conference room really easily. This overhead door is approximately 20 feet wide and 13 and a few inches high. Should be big enough for all of your needs. And there is a pad out front right here that you can, park and load in and drop off. And you can see Dover over there. The original deli will turn into a catering kitchen where we can accommodate probably 50 to 100 guests, which we could do a hospitality area for your clients. We can do catered dinners, for some of the vendors for a private party. But it will no longer be the deli. We'll have concessions on this side. Thank you guys so much for being clients at the event center. We're so excited to have you guys back here to do events, to do conferences, conventions, trade shows, everything. We've been looking forward to reopening, so I wanted to give you a sneak peek of kind of what's been going on during renovations.